Osio to Pen of Utopia. So finally we are back with our motives and with all our intentions set. Now talking about my previous video where I actually talked about the various layers that we consider to be the evergreen reliance and somewhat which is related to identity, and it changes. It changes with the landscape you visit and you set your foot on. And it's something that is actually hindering the very own federal characterism that the constitution provides for the smooth and healthy functioning of the entire democratized global system right over here. Now it is something that I'm talking because nowadays, even if I talk about various types of bills that are being passed in the parliament houses, whether it's in Lok Sabha or various joint sessions that are being conducted right over here, or various types of issues, if I talk about in general, that are being raised in 0 hours, if you look at that somewhere, this identity, it actually enters and it's actually taking away the sustainability, or you can take that a kind of a judicious moves that had to be taken under consideration before you present your own views and opinions. So it is not sustainable enough that what people are actually talking about, it's not relevant to the point that have to be talked about. Now recently, if I talk about, I was on the grounds that there we talk about identity and we talk about different type of cosmopolitan and religious and socio-cultural aspects. As you land up and you set your foot on different landscapes, the meaning changes, and hence the varieties and the precincts also changes at that very own particular point of time. Now let's take the example of various amendment bills. If you talk about the farmers bill right over here, the way parliament session, I had a look of the you can say I had a glance rather of the various sessions, the monsoon session that is being going right now, and when the farmers bill was being passed. So before being passed, there were debates in Lok Sabha and then in Rajya Sabha. Now what I see on various media platforms that shows this very own egoistic identity kind of pseudo step that have been taken by the various civilian society members is quite disheartening. When you are giving them access to social media platform, it doesn't mean that without any kind of a particular knowledge you can go on for contesting polls and all. But on officials also, if I talk about, they are talking about that how much was it difficult to pass the bill, and it has been taken under consideration without the proper majority of the Lok Sabha and the Rajya Sabha. But people, they actually forget the very other side, where we have seen that what are the pointers that have been put on the ground by the opposition parties or even by the coalition of the UPA, if you talk about, or by the respective state parties. It's not with relevance to the bill. So why to take it under consideration? There should be a particular thing that should challenge that particular move by the government. And similarly, if you talk about NRC and CAP, it was the same scenario. And then to provoke the mob over here, this mob lynching is something that is, I think that it's icing on the cake in India. When it comes to India, any kind of amendment, you just go for mob lynching and you provoke them. Misunderstanding, it's kind of like a fire. 1857 revolt is one of the greatest example for the same. So what I would like to tell over here is that it's all about people taking it personal, whether it's a particular community or whether it's a particular locality. So this has to be actually fought over. This is the basic issue right now. And even if you talk about not just about politics but outside the precincts of the politics, you can see that how this identity thing, this kind of cosmo ideologies, how can they challenge the very own sanctity and integrity of the community which you belong to, which you are a part of. In Bollywood also, you can see one of the renowned actors, one of the renowned actor, his death mystery that has been created right over here, and that have actually opened up files for various other controversies. You can see that how people are divided on such issues, because everyone is taking it up to their own personal level. They are not taking it about their community. See, if you're a part of a community and if it goes in a wrong direction, it's your responsibility to purify that, to inject out the waste that had to be, so that the purity and sanctity and the divinity of that very own particular organization shall be maintained. So this is what people right now are talking over. It's all personal, because some of them, if you look at their tone, if you look at the points that are being kept by them, it's not just quite in juxtaposition with what all concurrence points and statements have been laid forward. So this is the thing, and the farmers bill is recently under consideration. Even if you talk about recently discovered 16th or rather 17th century, you can say, there was an idols of God Ram, Sita and Lakshman, and it has been discovered from a foreign country after several archaeological surveys. I mean, people literally were behind it when certain issues that had to be given considerations. So this is it, and we need to actually think of it. We need to think of issues, we need to have glance, and then we need to prioritize things, and then we need to make our own opinions, our own ideologies that are worth rational.